The 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, security alarm, power windows, Sirius satellite radio, UCONNECT hands-free group, tachometer, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.